Do you want to get up to 10% discount at Addidie supermarket, but you don't know how? Well, I will show you how. The first thing to do is open up your Opay app and then tap on the cards section. And here you have physical card and virtual card. Tap on this at the bottom here, the promo that says get 10% off with Opay Valve card. Tap on it. And here, now you can see here, you can pay with your Opay Valve card and get up to 10% discount at Addidie supermarket using Opay. Now, how do you find the selected locations? Tap on find selected locations. Tap on supermarkets, Addidie supermarket. And as you can see, so the different addresses where you can get 10% discount when you pay with your Opay card. So what you're gonna do is look for the one closest to you, rush over there, buy what you want to get your stuff at the supermarket, Addidie supermarket, and quickly get your 10% discount. Don't forget, this is a promo and it's only valid from August 15th to December 31st, 2024. From Thursdays to Sundays. So what are you waiting for? Quickly rush there and enjoy the discount. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips like this, and comment in the comment section telling us if you were able to enjoy these discounts.